Hello friends, welcome back to N Curve24. Today we have another video on Excela Max Moisturizer, which is the moisturizer for dry and itchy skin. This is a requested video from my viewer. Cipla has 3 moisturizer range called Excela for oily acne prone skin, Excela Max for dry itchy skin, and Excela Rich for normal skin. Today we are just reviewing the product which is for dry and itchy. This comes with 200 ml bottle with 440 rupees. I bought this from the pharmacy, and you can get either from the pharmacy or through online. I think the price is little bit lower in online. This came with a polythene outer cover. I removed it. Also give a stopper in between to protect the loss of product during transportation. This is a very huge bottle, and I hope this will last for the entire year. Now let's see the ingredients of this product. It has purified water, white soft paraffin, light liquid paraffin, glycerin, and hydrous lanolin. It helps in protecting the skin by retaining moisture. Polyglycerol 68 and jojoba esters. Jojoba esters is nothing but the hydrogenated form of jojoba oil. Polyglycerol 3, beeswax and cetyl alcohol. Polyacrylate 13, polyisobutane and polysorbate 20, cetyl alcohol and cocoa glucoside, phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexaglycerin, alpha tocopherol acetate, biosaccharide gum 2, D-panthenol, it's another form of vitamin B5, and fragrance. Even though they say fragrance is added, but I couldn't feel any kind of fragrance in this product. This is a paraben free product. I feel all the ingredients come under the category of moisturizing agents or emollient category, and it is mostly found in baby products. It is also mentioned in the bottle as it is an emollient, humectant and occlusive. Emollient is any ingredient which helps in softening and smoothing the skin. Humectant, which helps in retaining the moisture. Occlusive, which forms a protection. It prevents the loss of hydration. Now coming back to the efficacy of the product. The lotion comes in white, little runny texture. The smell is very mild and unnoticeable. I have an oily face with a dry skin on hand and feet, but I did try this on my face as well as hand and feet. Also, my mom tried this on her face. She also has a sensitive dry skin. I need to share a tip to dry skin people. Whenever you use any soap, face wash or creams, try to include products which has glycerin as an ingredient, because glycerin will provide moisturization and it will not leave the skin too much dry. So try to avoid any product which is too much drying. My mom said feedback as this helps in moisturization and does not irritate her skin. And according to my experience, I use this on my face and it's like applying a water-based moisturizer. It didn't make my skin oily or greasy. Also, it absorbed quickly. Also, it didn't make my skin more oily even after some time. I did check it. It didn't cause any breakouts. I already have acne before I started using this, and this didn't make acne worse. It is the same as that. Normally when I try any new products, my acne gets worse. So I hope this is a good one. All over, this is a very mild moisturizer and it can be very good for dry itchy skin people. This does not give any brightness to the skin, and also that is not claimed by this product, but just I am sharing that too. For the price and the quantity also, this is a good affordable product, as well as this is a huge quantity and it will last at least for a year or minimum of 6 to 7 months. This can also be a good moisturizer for oily skin as well, and I hope this can be used for all skin types because it didn't irritate my skin too, because I have an extremely oily sensitive skin. So I hope everyone can use this, and it is a best option for dry itchy skin people. So I hope you all like this video. If you like this, please share it, like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.